In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Yahoo email account. By the end, you'll have a brand new inbox ready to go, and you'll understand exactly what each screen is asking for and why. Start by opening your web browser and heading to www.yahoo.com. In the top right corner, click the Sign In button. This takes you to the login area, and right beneath the Sign In form, you'll see an option that says Create an Account. Click that to open the registration page. Now you'll fill out your personal details. Enter your first and last name as you want them to appear on your account. Next, choose an email username. Aim for something unique and professional, especially if you'll use this for job applications or important messages. If your first choice is taken, try a variation that still looks clean. Yahoo will tell you instantly if it's available. Create a strong password to keep your account safe. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like birthdays or simple sequences. A longer password is usually stronger, so give yourself a phrase or combination you can remember, and consider storing it in a secure password manager. Enter your birth date. This helps Yahoo verify your age and can assist with account recovery later. Make sure it's accurate. When those fields are complete, click Next. You'll now provide your mobile number. Choose the correct country code if needed, and double-check the number so you can receive the verification message. This number helps protect your account, and it's used to confirm you're the one creating it. Yahoo will send a verification code via SMS or WhatsApp, depending on what's available and what you select. Keep the page open, check your phone, and enter the code exactly as it appears. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and use the resend option if necessary. Once you submit the code, your number is confirmed. To wrap up, review Yahoo's terms of service and privacy policy. When you're comfortable, accept them. You may see options to add profile details. These are optional and can be customized now or later. Finally, click to complete the setup. You'll land in your Yahoo Mail inbox. Take a moment to look around. You'll see your inbox, a button to compose a new message, and settings you can adjust to personalize your experience. Try sending a test email to make sure everything works, and remember to sign out when using a shared computer. That's it. You've created your Yahoo email account and you're ready to start using mail right away.